Hello there! Today we will be making a human body. Well, we've made this before, but today we are going to make a male human body. Here we see two sketches or two figures. Usually, in an adult, the height of the body is 7.5 times the length of the face. So, let's make a box and create this human. Let's make these sections so that it's easier for us to draw each body figure or body shape or body part in this. We will start with the face. Go ahead with the ears and then the hair. After that, we will make the neck and then go ahead with the shoulders. It is completely alright if the hand is going out of the box. Let's make the collarbones and then his chest. After which, we will go ahead by making his back abs. Continue making the hand and then his waist. Let's join these two parts here and then make his hand. Yes, let's make the fingers together. This looks interesting. Now we will make his shorts and then the legs. Go slowly while making it. And then complete the figure. Now we will start by drawing the features, which is the eyebrows, eyes, nose and lips. Let's make a very thin line in the center to see if our entire figure is proper. That's amazing, it's symmetrical. Next up, we will start by making the body of the small boy. In a child, the height of the body is 5 times the length of the face. Again, we will go ahead by making it with this manner. First, the face, then the neck, shoulder, and then the hands. After that, we will make his chest and then the waist. Let's make the shorts nicely now. And then we will go ahead by making the legs. Make a very light line in the center so that we know that the entire boy is symmetrical, which is the left side is equal to the right side. Now we will start by making the eyes, nose and the mouth. This looks interesting. The maximum amount of color we have here is skin color. So let's take the skin color in the palette. If you're taking 2 drops of paint, then you need to mix 4 drops of water in it. Add very little ochre color to it. This is going to give us a beautiful skin shade. Go ahead and start by coloring all the parts which are skin in color. This looks very interesting. we will take a very thin brush for this activity as we need to paint very thin sections. Go ahead by painting the body nicely. We will do the same thing for the man as well. Try and paint only in one direction. Yes, that helps us with no patchy painting. Paint the legs slowly and nicely. We will do the outline and then color inside. This looks very interesting. Go very slow while painting these small parts. After that, let's start by painting red for the shorts right here. We have a very thin space, hence be very careful while painting this. This looks lovely. After that, let's take green color. Go very slow while doing this. Remember to do the outline first. And now, let's paint inside. This looks very interesting. Now, we will do the hair with black color. Be very careful while doing the black as it is the darkest color and it usually smudges very fast. Once we are done with that, we will let it dry out and then start sketching this. Be very careful and make sure that you do not sketch it when it's not dried. Sketch the entire figure slowly and nicely. Sketch it right on top of the pencil marks and make sure that you do not sketch the outer box. Also, do not sketch the features with this sketch pen. We will use a micro tip pen for the same. Now, we will take our micro tip pen and start sketching the features. This is a very thin pen, so it helps us sketch all of these human figure features very well. Let's do the same thing for the hands as well. That's lovely. Let's do the lips with pink color now. That's amazing. And look at that, our figures are ready.